back to my channel. My name is Miss Anosha. For those who are new here, don't forget to subscribe because I'm sharing all the cute things. Today I'm sharing some staple pieces everyone needs in their closet for fall, and all the pieces are from Everlane. Everlane seriously has the best basics and the qualities are amazing, especially for the price point. And they are pieces you can keep in your closet for years and years to come. All these pieces would really work great into a capsule wardrobe. Alright, let's get into it. So the first thing everyone needs for fall is a chunky sweater. One thing with Everlane I noticed is their pieces fit really true to size. So if you want something to fit a little bit oversized, I definitely recommend sizing up. I sized up in the sweater just to give it a little bit more room. It's chunky, it's warm, the high neck is perfect for the cold weather. It's definitely a sweater you'll pull out over and over again throughout fall and winter. And I just paired it with some jeans and my trusty Birks. Classic, timeless, just good. The next piece I feel like everyone needs is just a good denim jacket. I love this jacket. It's actually unisex, so it runs both for women and men. I got a size E4 for reference, which I believe is the equivalent of a large. But I love the weight of it. It's definitely like a heavy duty denim. Feels very high quality. And I'd kind of just throw it on with what I'm wearing like this. You can even roll up the sleeves for a different look. I love this jacket. I feel like you can pair it with so many different options. You never can go wrong with a denim jacket, so it's definitely for me a must in your closet. This is another way I would wear the jacket. This is probably how I would wear it most often. I just love wearing like a onesie and just throwing a jacket over it and throwing on some boots. That's like my fall uniform. On that note, something I feel like everyone needs in their fall closet is a blazer, preferably oversized. I love an oversized blazer. I love oversized anything, but I feel like with an oversized blazer you have more options. You can throw it over a lot of different pieces and it really just elevates it and just makes it feel polished but also a little bit edgy at the same time. So this is a classic Everlane blazer. They always have these on their site in different colors, different prints. I got one size bigger just to make it a little bit more oversized. It has slight padding on the shoulders, pockets of course, and I just love the fit of this blazer. It's a little bit boxy but not unflattering. My favorite way to pair blazers is really just over a onesie like I mentioned before. I just feel like it just totally elevated the outfit. I just immediately look chic without even trying. I'm into it. So definitely a blazer is a must-have in your wardrobe for fall. Of course, you need a good boot. I saw these boots on the site and was like, I need these. These are going to be my go-to boots. I love the brown. They also come in black. It has a small heel, so they're really actually very comfortable. And it's a soft leather. I feel like the quality of them, I always say this, but when you're looking for staples, obviously they're staples because they'll stay in your closet for a long, long time. These for sure fit the bill. When I tell you these boots are comfortable, they are so comfortable. If you're between sizes, I would definitely go up a size just to give you that little bit of room, especially in the fall and winter. You're gonna wear socks with your boots, so I always go up a size in boots just so I have room to be comfortable and wear thick, warm socks inside of them. But the fit, these are just a classic boot. You cannot go wrong with these. And the last thing for me that's a must for fall is a good trench coat. Obviously trench coats have been around forever, so they're not going anywhere. This is something that is just, I feel like, necessary in every single closet. It pairs well with everything. It's warm enough for the cold weather. It's very chic. I love the fit of this one especially. Look how good. Like, I feel like it immediately elevated my outfit without even trying. I'm only wearing like a bodysuit and I threw on the jacket and boots and it's like done. Loop it in the back a little bit, let it hang. Or obviously closed. I love this jacket so much. It's so cute. I also like a longer sleeve length for jackets. So I like where it hits on me. Yeah, I'm very into it. So these are the staples I feel like everyone needs in their closet. Definitely check out Everlane because I feel like their pieces, if you're looking for something that is quality, will last a while, they practice a lot of sustainability, so that's also a plus. And yeah, there's just so many good staples and basics on their site. I definitely think it's worth checking out. They're definitely my go-to when I'm looking for like a sweater or a jacket or something like really simple and high quality to add to my closet. And that's it, guys. I'll link everything below if you're interested. Let me know which was your favorite piece that I featured. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.